How to recover hacked Facebook account. Let's jump right into the steps. Open your Facebook app on your phone, and if it's logged in and if it's hacked, you want to go ahead and log it out. For that, you need to scroll down to the bottom, tap on logout, then tap on logout again, and it will be logged out from your phone. Now you want to go ahead and tap on settings, that is on the top right corner, then tap on remove profile, tap on remove. Now you want to enter your phone number or email and then tap on forgot password. Now here again enter your mobile number or email, then tap on find account. Then a verification code will be sent to WhatsApp. For that you want to tap on continue. Now you want to enter the code that Facebook has sent to WhatsApp. After that you want to tap on continue. Then as you do that, you will enter to this screen where you want to enter your new password for your Facebook. After you choose your password, tap on log out from other devices, then tap on continue. And that is how you can recover hacked Facebook account. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.